Oak Knoll girls are strong and supportive of one another.
An Oak Knoll girl is capable, hardworking, and ready and able to grow.
I chose Oak Knoll because, first of all, I love the community here. I came to see the campus and I just absolutely loved how everybody was so welcoming.
I came here, not really knowing anyone either, so I'm very lucky to have met people at the beginning who are just so kind. And so through that, I've made a lot of new friends.
I like the all-girls aspect because no one's trying to impress anyone. People are coming here to do work. I feel like it's a very judge-free community.
In the morning, I just put on my polo and go to school. I don't have to worry about what I'm wearing. I can worry about my physics test in the afternoon.
I found things that I really enjoyed doing from Oak Knoll. I didn't think I'd be a part of yearbook. I didn't think I'd start a broadcast club.
I do Asian Pacific Islander Club, which is a club for not just Asians as well, but for people who really want to get to know the culture. I've met lots of open-minded people, lots of people that are willing to celebrate my identity.
Some advice I would give a new student: being open to new things could help maybe discover a new part of yourself that you didn't realize you had before. I know I tried calligraphy this year and I really liked it, and I did a theater class and I really enjoyed that as well.
The main things I've done at Oak Knoll since I've gotten here were soccer in the fall and lacrosse in the spring. My favorite part about being in a team, I think, is just the way everyone has each other's back. Your teammates are there for you.
I think fencing as a sport and the community there has definitely allowed me to become a leader, in the sense that I've learned patience, which is still happening, but also compassion. And so by working for the greater goal of others, I've learned to become a leader.
Oak Knoll isn't just educating me on how I can be the best in math, but also my entire self through faith, and it's through friendship, and it's community, and it's how we can be the most confident girls when we're older, and how we can be the most kind girls when we're older.
An Oak Knoll girl is a girl who is confident and proud of the girl she is, but is looking forward into growing into the woman she's becoming.
An Oak Knoll girl explores new opportunities.
An Oak Knoll girl is someone who's driven and ready to take on what's next.